Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deeper into one of the most anticipated smartphone of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The S25 Ultra has been making a wave globally and I got my hand on it early. So in this video I will be answering the big question, should you wait for the S25 Ultra? Make sure to stick around till the end as I will break down everything you need to know, from the design, camera and display to the power packed performance that come with the new chipset. Let's get started. The first thing you will notice with the S25 Ultra, it is a refreshed design. Samsung has made some serious change to the form factor. For the first time in year, this flagship will feature a completely flat gone or a sharp edge, which were a problem for many users who complained about the screen cutting onto the edge have now been rounded for much more comfortable grip. But there are more. Samsung has gone with the premium titanium frame just like the S24 Ultra. However, with the S25 Ultra, the titanium is even more refined. It's stronger, sleeker, and add an extra layer of durability and style. When it comes to the display, we have got some impressive upgrade. The S25 Ultra is rocking a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with the stunning 120 Hz refresh rate and LTPO support. What's new here? The bezel have been significantly reduced, giving you more screen and cleaner, almost bezel-less experience. The display quality itself will be the gorgeous as ever with the vibrant color, deep blocks, and a smooth, responsive feel. Whether you are gaming or streaming a video, the experience will be immersive. Now let's talk about the camera. This is where the S25 Ultra really shines. We are still getting the same 200 megapixel primary sensor that was a gaming changer last year, but the Samsung has made some noticeable improvement. The ultra wide camera has now a massive 50 megapixel sensor, making you will be able to capture wider angle and better detail. The telephoto lens, it's a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with the 10x optical zoom, offering a sharp image even at long distances. You will also still get that 12 megapixel selfie camera, which is fantastic for video call, selfie and content creation. Of course, the S25 Ultra will support 8K video recording, both for front and back camera, along with the 4K 60 fps recording for those who love capturing high quality video. Let's get to the power under the hood. The S25 Ultra is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset. That's right, this new processor takes performance to the next level. Expect blazing fast speed, smooth multitasking, and incredible gaming performance. This chipset will offer a huge leap from the previous generation, making the S25 Ultra one of the fastest phones on the market. When it comes to battery life, the S25 Ultra will feature a 5000 mAh battery, but with the new chipset and software optimized, battery life should be much better than its predecessor, although it will offer similarly battery capacity. The combination of the new processor and better power efficiency will give you a longer lasting experience. Now let's answer the burning question, should you wait for the S25 Ultra? If you are someone who love cutting edge technology, improvement design and camera that can capture every moment in stunning detail, then yes, the S25 Ultra will worth the wait. The design improvement, camera upgrade and processing power make it a no-brainer for tech enthusiasts and anyone making for premium smartphone experience. So that's a wrap on my first impression of the S25 Ultra. It's shaping up to being an incredible device, but of course you will have a wait for the official launch to see how it performs in real world usage. Let me know in the comments if you are excited about the S25 Ultra or if you are considering waiting for more detail before making your purchase. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.